Hello everybody, my name is Angel and I'm going to show you how to make popcorn at home. Now, the popcorn is sweet. If you don't like sweet popcorn, that's okay because this is just a video. And let me open the bags. Now, it's very simple to make popcorn at home. So, you open the bags and then you get one bag. Step number 1, you get them out of the packet. Step number 2, take one bag that you want and put the other 2 in the box. The last step is put the packet in the microwave. And it says in the microwave for 2 minutes extra power. I got to tell you, this side is up and this side is down so the popcorn doesn't burn. There's this side down and this side up. I'm excited because we are gonna pop them now. I came back with the popcorn. We're gonna let it cool down for a few minutes. 2 minutes are already gone. Come on, let's open the package. Wow, there's so much popcorn. And step number 5, pour it in the bowl. Just go over them. It will be fine. You still got a lot of popcorn. I just tried some and they're not burned. That's just how it is when it's sweet. I hope you enjoyed the video. These were the 5 easy steps to make popcorn at home. Like and subscribe so you can see more videos and have a fun time.